Hello friends and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am part of an awesome collaboration for the month of November, and that is from Tony at Kettle Kitchen, and we are doing Noodle November. We have tons of other channels that are doing a noodle each day in the month of November, and today happens to be my day. And today we are going to be making Spaetzle. That is a German noodle that my grandmother brought from Switzerland here, and she would make that for us. My mom taught it to me. I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to show you how I make my Spaetzle. So let's get started. All right, friends, so this is a very simple and easy noodle that you can make. It's going to be a wet noodle that we then put into the boiling water, and it hardens up to be not a hard noodle, but a very soft and enjoyable noodle. So here we're going to start with our basic ingredients. I've got 1.5 cups of flour. I'm going to add 1/2 cup of milk, 2 eggs lightly beaten, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now go ahead and mix this all together. All right, so it's all mixed together, and as you can see, it's a very gummy dough. And that's exactly what we want. So let's head over to the stove, and I'm going to show you our next step. All right, friends, so now that my water is boiling, I'm going to take a colander like this one that has big holes. I am going to scoop this mixture into the bowl, and as I press it down, it's going to allow the noodles to come out at the bottom and drop into my water. And once the noodles come to the top, that means they are ready. They have fully cooked. They are floating, so they are ready. Go ahead and pull them out, put them into a dish, and just keep repeating your process. All right, friends, my noodles are now done. And just to finish it off, I've got some butter, and I'm gonna fry these up. Because I salted the water, I'm just gonna add some pepper, and these noodles are all done. All right, friends, and there we have it, our Spaetzle. Now this is one of my absolute favorite noodles to make. And it's from scratch, homemade, nothing store-bought, absolutely delicious. Nothing tastes better than fresh homemade noodles. So I hope you give this recipe a try, and I hope you like it. Definitely head over to Tony from Kettle's Kitchen and look at all the different channels that are also putting noodles out for the month of November. You're gonna love them. There are some awesome channels in there and some awesome noodle dishes. So until next time, friends, don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. As always, I hope all is well, and have a blessed day.